no bankers, and now I'm talking of the United States, of Britain, no bankers have gone to jail yet, whereas after the savings and loan crisis in the US, which broke out in the late 1980s, something like over 2,000 bankers were prosecuted for fraud, and 1,700 actually served time in jail. And yet this time, nobody, hardly anybody is being prosecuted, and certainly nobody has gone to jail.
There have been 0 convictions. Indeed, there isn't even an indictment. So it isn't just a problem in Iceland, but it's up to all of us to demand action. Put the crooks in prison. Reduce the risk of the next crisis by at least trying to deter it. If you sit back, then you're saying crime pays, and really, really big crime pays better than anything in the world.